ngayon sa Fish Port nila. Ayan, Fish Port. Ayan, gala. Oh, ayan, ang dami, oh. How's beautiful! Grabe. Ayan, tingnan nyo, oh. Ang lawak. Grabing nagalaan ko ngayon buong araw. Inikot nila ako. So, ang ganda. I think it's Filipino but she is Thailand. Same beauty. Filipino and Thailand also.
Similar?
Yeah. It's so beautiful here. Oh, it's first time. Wow, it's a nice place. Oh, Shin, did you show this?
Yeah. Every Saturday.
Every Saturday you go there?
No, just Tronshaw. Every Saturday. Tronshaw.
Okay, we have show here.
Yeah, next.
Every Saturday.
Yeah.
But today is Sunday, no show. It's so beautiful, so amazed.
Saturday night.
Oh, Saturday night. Okay. Oh my goodness. Amazed. Yes. We have here. So ayan, ang gaganda ng mga ano, grabe. Sobrang ano ako ngayon. Natutuwa, galing sa farm, diretso dito sa Fish Port. So grabing travel. enjoy travel. Ayan. So ayan, inikot ko na. Grabe, oh. Ayan, di ba? Ayan, thank you so much, guys. Ayan, more ano pa for views. Where? There? Okay. I try it. Ayan, akit daw ako dun sa isda. What do you call this one? Fish. Isdang bato. Isdang bato, guys. So ayan, oh. Ayan, isdang bato, di ba? Close already. Oh yes, we are close. Not open. Ayan. Oh, I see. Tingnan nyo yung Fish Port nila dito. So grabe lawak, kabilaan. So ayan, nakikita nyo yan. Grabe. Ayan, grabing lina ng tubig. And that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next vlog.